1.15 crore and you can own a 2 BHK at Sobha Dreams Garden, which is minutes away from Bhartiya City Mall, Manyata Tech Park and Kempagoda International Airport. Here we have good inventories available for both rent and sale, where 2 BHK rental starts from 35,000 to 40,000 for a semi-furnished flat and 2 BHK sale from 1.15 crore to 1.3 crore depending upon floor facing and view, with 2 upcoming metro stations which will directly boost property value in near future. This project is located at Kannur Road, which give access to Koglu Cross flyover for a seamless connectivity to Kempagoda International Airport and upcoming metro station. One is at Koglu Cross and another is at Nagwara. This project is BBMP khatha with Kaveri water connection. This project offers 1 and 2 BHK having only east and west facing, measuring 1009 square feet and 1058 square feet. Major difference is only balcony size. Welcome to Sobha Dreams Garden. Spread over 18 acres with 10 rising towers, 2 basements plus 23 floors. As most of towers have been already handover and clubhouse is still under construction, we do have inventories available in ready to move in as well as under construction block 2. Some ready to move in rental units as well. It have a 50,000 square feet clubhouse. Apart from normal amenities, this project offers Japanese inspired amenities like bamboo walk, koi pond, senior citizen park, Japanese garden, blossom park, kids play area. This project is just 10 minutes drive from Bhartiya City Mall, 15 minutes drive to Phoenix Mall of Asia, 10 minutes drive to Elements Mall and again 15 minutes drive to RMG Galleria Mall. Major tech parks like BCIT is 10 minutes drive, 15 minutes drive to Manyata Tech Park and Kirloskar Tech Park and 10 minutes drive to Koglu Cross where we have Philips office and 15 minutes to Bangalore Cross where Amazon office is recently shifted. Colin Aerospace Park for 15 minutes and KIDB Aerospace Park is just 15 minutes drive from this project, which is again a 3000 acres of development. So if you are looking for job, this can be a perfect hotspot. And again, if we talk about school, we have NPS, DPS, Vidyasilp Academy, Canadian International School, New Horizon School and a lot more. Again, for restaurant, we have all the major restaurants available at Bhartiya City Mall and local eateries at nearby. You can see Bhartiya City from your flat too. This is where we have PVR, so you can go for a movie just 10 minutes from your place. This unit is on 22 floor, having an inside society view of garden and a lake view too. This will be a balcony attached to your master bedroom. Again, this is a unit measuring 1058 square feet. We have an attached washroom with all the branded modern fixtures from Sobha. We do have more options available for sale on different floors priced at 1.15 crore negotiable. We can negotiate till 1.1 crore. This will be your common washroom and a second bedroom with big size window, view of inside garden and a lake view. Again, you can customize this unit as per your requirement as this is an unfurnished unit and ready to move in, so you can shift immediately. This will be a big size living room and a attached balcony. Only the major difference in 1009 and 1058 square feet will be this balcony, inside society view and a lake view from every master bedroom, second bedroom and your living room too, and again from the utility area. This is your open modular kitchen. You can customize again as per your requirement with a separate utility area. Again, you can call it as a third balcony with similar inside society view. Contact 9113203639 for resale and rental. And if you are someone who is looking to sell your unit or put it on rent from Sobha, feel free to reach us.